Yeah. So good morning, all of you. So both online and offline. So we are all here for learning MERN full stack course. Okay. And maybe some of you are for just learning front end, maybe some of you are for learning the full stack. Why? Because this full MERN full stack course is a combination of front end development and back end development. Both front end and back end will be covered. As part of this MERN full stack, first we will discuss about the front end. In the front end, what are the technologies we can have? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, Ajax, React.js, all will become. I will give you all the technologies list. Don't bother about it. Just I'm telling you. As part of the backend, we will learn MongoDB, Express, and Node.js. But this entire course duration will be minimum 3 months, maximum 4 months. And we will cover real-time projects also in the session everywhere. HTML, CSS, we will discuss real-time project. JavaScript will give you a lot of real-time scenarios, If possible, do a big project in JavaScript also. After React, there is a project. MERN, there is a project. So everywhere we will see. My intention is what, I want to tell you one thing. Whatever you guys are learning, with that, what we can do, what type of work we can do in the real time. So I want to give you that idea. If some people they will just learn, they will just leave. No, we are not here to do such a way. We are here to learn the React, MERN, everything in a real-time oriented completely, right? And then we can plan as per that. Okay, I will give that idea. So now, before entering into, I have one big question and one big doubt. What is that? Yeah, these are the things. Can you read all these questions? Read the questions. You read the questions because we want to talk about this today. This is your roadmap. Why are you here? So that is the roadmap I want to give you. Then we can enter into the subject. First, let me talk about all these things today. First, I want to give you a clarification why we are here. Why should I learn this MERN stack course? I have Java, .NET, Python, PHP, Golang. Lot of things are there outside. Besides them, why should I choose MERN stack only? Why cannot choose Java full stack? Why are you choosing MERN full stack course? Why not Java full stack course? Why not Python full stack course? Why not PHP full stack course or .NET? So we will answer for everything. What is the best thing? Right. All right. Spend some time. Please read these questions. Please read these questions. You have to get answers for all these questions. Read the questions. Who suggested you to learn this course? First thing. Who suggested you? I want to know this. Is it your interest? This is your interest? Sir, this is my own interest, sir. I'm very much interested to learn this MERN stack course. So by learning this MERN stack course, I know what I can do. That's why I'm learning this course, sir. But I can tell you one thing. Many of the people who are learning this course, the first question is what? Who suggested you to learn this course? But I want to tell you, many of the people who are all learning this course, maybe if I ask you, sir, my uncle suggested to learn this course, that's why I'm learning. My brother suggested, that's why I'm learning. Right? Okay, your brother know what he can do with this course, but do you know? But we don't know. Why? Because my brother suggested, that's why I'm joining this course. 20,000 now? Okay, sir, I will pay 20,000. 30,000 now? Okay, I'm ready to pay 30,000. Why? Because my brother suggested. But not only in this institute, you may choose some other institute also. But whatever it is may be, first thing is what? Why we are here? Why should I learn the MERN stack course? Or any, not only MERN stack course, any other course. First question yourself. Do you know what I can do by learning this course? We don't. But it's my responsibility as a trainer. I want to tell you why should we learn this course. This is my responsibility. I want to talk about this completely. Today is all about these questions we have to answer. If you can get answers for these questions, definitely you will get an idea why we are here. First of all, if I say 50,000, if I say 1 lakh rupee, people ready to pay. But why are you paying? Because somebody suggested that's why you're paying. No, you should get some clarity. But one thing, okay, let us answer the first question. Who suggested you to learn this course? And maybe some people will say my brother suggested, my uncle suggested, one of my friend is a HR in a company. He suggested me to learn this course. Some people are there. My friend joined this course, that's why I'm joining this course. Anybody like this? My friend joined this course, that's why I'm joining this course. But your friend knows what he can do with this course. But do you know what you can do with this course? We don't know. Why? Because my friend joined. That's why I'm also joining. My friend paid 30,000. I'm paying 35,000. So no, this is not the thing. We have to understand the first thing. Any course you are learning, not only this MERN stack. In Amirpet, Hyderabad, every course is available. Maybe in world there are not courses are there or not, I don't know. But in Amirpet, everything is available. But you should understand why we are learning this course. That is the first thing. Okay, right? I want to tell you one thing. Whoever it may be, whoever suggested. But it's our responsibility to know what about this course. Is it good in the market or not? Right now, we have to talk about this. Okay, right. One thing I want to say. Who suggested you to learn this course? Say thanks to them. Very happy. The course that you are choosing is very good in the market, I'm sure. But one thing, maybe your brother suggested, my uncle suggested to learn this course. But who needs to work? You or your brother? You are getting job. So in place of you, your brother will work? No, you have to work, right? This is very important. They given a very good path. Say thanks to them. But one important thing, at the end of the day, you have to write the code. You are the person. You should write the logic. You should write the code. Right? So that we have to learn properly. They given a very good path. They helped us. This is the best technology right now in the market for freshers. You see the word. So is this course is good for freshers? I have one more question. Maybe some of your freshers, maybe some of your working, maybe. But I'm telling you, one of the best course for freshers right now is this is MERN full stack course. Definitely, 100% we can achieve this, right? Right. But finally, I want to say, whoever they suggested you to learn this course, right? Yes, this course is very good in the market right now and very good demand. Here we have two paths are there. By just learning front end also, we can get job. Front end up to React JS. I will tell you what is front end technology, what is back end technology. Maybe tomorrow I will tell you. By just completing front end, you can try to attend the interviews. Parallelly, you can complete your back end also. That advantage available here. But whereas in Java, there is no such an advantage. You have to complete the Java package. 1 year course, 1 year Java pack. Java full stack is completely 1 year will take. Seriously, if anybody says we will complete within 3 months, don't believe them. Don't believe them. So it's not. See, in 2010, when we are in Amirpet, we also like you. I'm also like you. I'm also like you. I also came to Hyderabad 2009, somewhere around. We went Java. One faculty teaches this course 6 months. Core Java, only core Java 6 months. But right now, today, everything is completing within 3 months. How it is possible? 10 years, 14 years back, 6 months course only core Java, but right now everything is in 3 months. Okay, what is the process? Morning you have to attend core Java, afternoon you have to attend advanced Java, evening you have to attend front end. Maybe in the middle of somewhere around you have to attend Java database. Hey, we don't have time to practice, but we are attending continuously classes. Where is the time to practice? Such a courses don't encourage and don't try. Don't join. So you have to see, we are all freshers here now. If you are a fresher, remember carefully, you have to learn the course step by step. First HTML completed, then only CSS, then only JavaScript, then only React.js. So can I learn React.js directly? No, you cannot. So one by one we have to come because we are all freshers. Without that idea, if you are jumping directly from to there, and it is very difficult to you. It's very difficult. As a freshers, don't encourage this type of thing. Maybe you join here, you may join somewhere. That's what I'm telling you. It's my responsibility to tell you complete path, complete idea. My thing is what roadmap. I want to give you an idea. So what is the way of learning? What is the way of going? That's what we have to learn about it. We have to talk about it. Okay. Right. Okay. Next one. Who can learn this course? Okay. My question is what here, Sir, I am a non-technical student. Can I learn this course? I'm in a BSc computer science student. Yeah, BSc computer science, yes, I can learn. I'm a BTech CSC. Yeah, you can learn. MTech, you can learn. MCA, you can learn. What about a BCom student? As a BCom student, can I learn this course? As a 10th standard student, can I learn this course? I'm a 10th standard student. I'm telling you, in summer holidays, lot of people who completed their +1, +2 intermediate and 10th standard, they are also learning this course. Then what about you? I want to say one thing. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate yourself. Everybody can learn. Everybody can do. What is the thing you know? It's only your interest. Your interest. At the end of the day, I'm interested, sir. I'm very much interested. I'm passionate about learning this course. I'm passionate about creating web applications, sir. Yes, everybody can learn this course. That type of interest you should need. Because my brother suggested, my brother forced me to learn this course. No, don't say such a things here. At the end of the day, your interest will make the things clear. So every course is easy, not only MERN stack, including Java is also easy. If there is no interest, what is going to be easy? Nothing is going to be easy. At the end of the day, you should have some interest of learning. So then only things will become easy. Otherwise, they're not going to be easy. Keep it in mind. Who can learn this course? Everybody, every individual can learn this course. Whoever you are, whatever your education qualification. Sir, I have backlogs, no problem. I'm a non-technical student, no problem. So I'm 10th standard student. Okay, welcome. You are welcome. It's all about your idea, your interest of learning. Sir, I'm very much passionate about creating web applications, sir. I want to create a website like Facebook, sir. I want to create a website like Instagram, sir. I want to create a website like YouTube, sir. Such an interest you are having, yes, you are ready to learn this course. Who can learn this course? Those guys can learn this course. Don't worry. Again, I'm telling you, many of the people will ask me, sir, I'm a non-technical student, sir. I may not good in computers. But what about 10th standard student? They're also learning this course. +1, +2 students also learning this course. What about them? What they have to say? See, they cannot say this type of silly results. They're all saying that I'm very much interested in creating web applications, sir. I'm passionate about creating web application. I want to create my own delivering system, like a food ordering system. I want to create a website, my own website. I want to start my own business. For that own business, I want to create a website like this, sir. You see, finally, what is going to speak here? What is going to be speak here? It's all about your interest. It's all about your interest. I'm very much interested in learning this course. And yeah, you are ready and you are the person, you can learn this course. Yeah. Right? What is the next question? Is it good course for freshers? 100% I'm telling you. One of the best courses for freshers in the market is right now is going to be MERN full stack. What about Java, sir? What about Java? You go to Java class somewhere in MFA, 400 to 500 people will be there in the classroom. But in our class, we are hardly 20, 25 people are there in the classroom. Sir, the 500 people are there, 20 people are there. So 500 people course is best now. Why? Because a lot of people are learning. I want to tell you one market secret. Lot of people are trying to learn Java full stack, Python full stack. First priority, Java full stack. Second priority, Python full stack. Next priority may be .NET full stack. Next priority may be MERN full stack. Next priority may be finally PHP full stack. I want to tell you one thing. If you are a fresher, you choose these two courses. If you are a fresher, I'm talking about what is the best course as a fresher to get the job. As a fresher to get the job. What is a popular course? I'm not talking about the popular course. What is the popular course? If you can ask me, I will say Java, Python. These are the popular and topmost courses are there in the I will say Java and Python. Java and Python full stacks. But sir, as a fresher, what is the best course to get a job immediately? That's what I want to know. You tell me, please. You ask anybody, go to any institute, you ask them, as a fresher, what is the best course to get a job? And no one will tell you. Being in this IT industry from last 12 years, I know, I can understand the market situation. What is the best course for freshers right now? I can tell you, this is one thing. Front end with React. You go with this front end with React. Front end with React. Inside, what are the courses we can see? HTML, CSS, we have a design framework called Bootstrap. Next one is going to be JavaScript. Next one, inside JavaScript, we have two sub-concepts. I want to mention those also, JSON and Ajax. Next one is going to be jQuery. And finally, you are going to learn about React. So front end with React, this is what we have. React is very good in the market right now, Andy, right? As a fresher, when compared to Java, I can say this is one of the best course to get a job as a fresher quickly. Okay, this is the first thing you have to choose. So front end with React, the first fresher course. See, I'm talking about as a fresher, what is the best course to get the job? I'm not talking about what is a popular course. If you can ask me what is a popular course, and I can say Java, I can say Python. But we don't want popular. We need job. We are in the need of job now. So to get the job, what is the best course? That's what I'm talking about here. As a fresher, many of the people don't know. Being in the field as a developer, I know that what are the best courses for the freshers right now. As a trainer, as a developer, we know we are observing the market situation, right? That's what I'm telling you. The next important thing is going to be next one is what? Of course, Node. You can go with the Node.js with the MongoDB, Node with the Mongo database. This is going to be next one. Backend. This is backend. This is commander completely backend. This is commander completely front end. The next very important thing, PHP and MySQL with Laravel. PHP MySQL with there is a framework, the Laravel framework. This is the combination. You choose any one of these three. I am the responsible person to show you the interviews, to send you the interviews. I am the responsible person. I will take care of you. But if you know Java, don't ask me. If you know Python, don't ask me. But if anybody knows these, even right now, any of your friends knows this, send their profile to me. I will arrange the interviews. So such a good openings are there, especially if you are a full stack developer. I want to say, if you know this is course, please let me know immediately. I can help you to get the job immediately. As a fresher, I'm telling you, I observing this also from last 4 years onwards. No one is learning PHP, MySQL, and Laravel, and this is having very good demand in the market right now because no one is learning. Less competition, good demand in the market is what? PHP, MySQL with Laravel. Java, very good competition. How and if there is one interview, 1,000 people are attending for the interview. 1:1,000. Here in PHP, 1:1 or 1:2. If there is one job vacancy in PHP, oddly 2-3 people are going. See, lot of companies are getting. I'm getting calls from lot of PHP companies. They're asking one question, sir, we need PHP freshers. That too trained candidates I need. We have an immediate opening. So this is how I'm getting the calls. Why? Because why are you getting calls? I have my number in the Google business profile. People are watching that number and they're calling me. We need this requirement. So we need PHP MySQL. And after that, next thing is what? Front end with React.js also we are getting very good calls. Very good calls. So these three are the best courses. One more course, sorry, I want to mention this. This is going to be fourth one for freshers. This is going to be React Native. You choose. And fifth one also you want to mention. Android I can mention. See, Android I want to mention. Android and iOS. Anyone you can choose here. Android or iOS. Anyone you can choose. So these are the 5 best things in the market as a fresher to get a job. As a fresher. I'm not talking about as an experienced person. Experienced person, everything is okay. Because anyhow you have experience, 5+ years experience on sorry, I have 5+ experience on Java, so I can easily go for Java. But one thing I'm telling you, right now, there is no openings as a fresher on Java and .NET. Even there is an opening, lot of competition. Seriously, I'm telling you. First, my point is what you know, we have to enter into the company. After entering into the company, then you can choose internally. So first I joined as a front-end developer. No, I want to move as a back-end developer. I want to move as a cloud engineer. Slowly, we want to move to technology. Remember one thing. Today, for example, you got job as a front-end developer. Let us assume you got job as a front-end developer. You are working for 2 years in the company. You want, sir, okay, now it's the right time to shift to one more job. You are thinking that you have to upload your resume, you have to attend for other interviews now. You have 2 years experience already, you got on front end. But remember carefully, as a front end developer, you learn this skill. What is the skill I selected here? This skill you know as a front end developer. But it's very important thing what you know. When your experience is increasing, your skill set also should increase. Besides React.js, what you know other than this? You are 2 years experienced guy. A fresher is coming front end with React with the back end. Then who is the preferable person here? The person who knows multiple skills. Remember carefully, this is IT industry. In software industry, the people who knows multiple technology, they are always going to be preferable persons. The people who knows multiple technology, they are the preferable person. 100% I'm sure. So if you know this, yes, that's good. Otherwise, it's not easy. 5 best courses for freshers right now is the market is what these are all. After that only you want to mention Java. Yes, I will mention Java package. So after the first 5, you choose it. .NET package, Python package. I want to mention like this. Python package, whatever it is. Remember, Andy, as a fresher, the first 5 technologies are very good in the market. You choose anyone, I'm sure you will get the job. You will get the job within the course completion time. We are the person, the first 4 technologies, if you know, let me know, please. I can help you to send you to interviews. I am the responsible person. If you know this, let me know. We're responsible. Even if any of your friends knows, let me know. Still, right now, anybody know? Right, send your resume. I can send you to the interviews. But right now, a lot of people are learning Java, but a lot of competition is there in the market. One interview, 1 is to 1,000. See, where is 1 is to 1,000? One Java, 1,000 people are attending. If it is a PHP MySQL, 1 is to 2. Hardly 1 is to 2. One interview, 2 people are going. In these 2 people, who is good? He is selecting. He will get the job. First, my point is what you know. Don't think what is good. What is best in the market? Don't think this. My point is finally, what is the best course as a fresher to get the job? Choose any one of these 5. But if you want to know this React Native also, this React Native is completely for working with mobile platforms and mobile applications for creating. This React.js or React Native? Is there any relation? React.js is completely for creating web applications and web applications. React Native is for creating mobile applications. Okay, you are not going to be work on the same, but you know both, right? Yes, we can work on React Native also. We can work on the people who can do the coding. So your brother, he learned front end with React, but right now he is working on PHP MySQL. He is working on React Native also. How he can able to work with React Native? How he can able to work with the PHP and MySQL? See, that is what I am saying you finally. When our experience is increasing, our skill set also should increase. IT industry is always competitive in the market. Always competitive in the market. So as per the competition, we have to work. This is a fact. I'm not saying for our satisfaction. Your satisfaction, learn this course, this is the best course. Don't go anywhere. We'll give you for this 5,000, we'll give you for 10,000. You can learn here. No, I don't want to say you forever comfortability. Right? If you can join, I will get more money. No, I don't want to say. I want to talk about the fact exactly. What is the fact exactly? So after that, you decide. See, I'm saying you React Native is very good. React Native, I'm not teaching. Somebody will teach. You go and learn there. Definitely. So this course is not available with me. So PHP MySQL I can available. I can teach you. Python is not available with me. If you feel Python is best, you can go somewhere and learn it. No problem. But it's my responsibility to tell you the fact. What is the best course in the market? It's my responsibility to tell you, man. That's why we're talking about it. So note down, these 5 are the best courses for freshers to get a job. What is the best course? Java.NET, Python. What is the best course for freshers to get a job? These are the things. As a fresher, I want to get job immediately, sir. Once my course is completed, I want to get job immediately. So these are the best things, guys. You can choose these things. Definitely, I can say, what is the best course? This is the best course. right? Choose these courses. Okay. Next one. Let me move to the slide. Yeah. So what are the prerequisites to learn this MERN stack course? Is it good in the market right now? Yes, it's very good in the market right now. You don't bother about it, right? Just you can go with the same thing. Okay. Right. Okay. So what are the prerequisites to learn this course? Is there any graduation required? Sir, you have to pass BTech. Any graduation is required? No graduation required. Just +1, +2 is enough to learn this course. 10th standard is also enough this course. I told you already. It's all about your interest of learning. I'm passionate about that learning this course. If you have such an interest, you can start learning this course. So there is no prerequisite. Simply says this is your first course. This is the first course. Some people will say, sir, if I want to learn Java, I have no C language. First, they will all go and learn the C language. People generally, what people they don't know. They don't have any guidance. Unfortunately, somebody will say, if you want to learn this course, you should learn this course, they will say, and they will start learning that. But the process I'm telling you, if you want to learn MERN stack, this is your first course or front end or whatever it may be, you don't need any prerequisite. You know how to use computer? Do you know how to use computer? You know how to use computers. We are very good in the using of computer. Next important thing, do you know what is a website? Website. So Facebook, what we will do in Facebook? Social media kind of activity. In YouTube, what you will do? We can watch videos and movies, right? If it is a Swiggy and Zomato website, what I can do? I can order the food. I can track the person. Where is that person? Right? What are all these? They're all websites. So if you know what is a website, what a functionality will be there in the website, right? So that's all. Basic thing is what you know. First thing is what you should know how to use computer. Second thing is what is a website? Every day I know that a lot of people will visit a lot of websites. Why are you visiting a website? To get some information. To get some information, I'm visiting this website. News, I want to read the news. I will go to some news website. I want to order a food. I will go to some other website. See, all the websites are doing same job. Huh? No, right? So Google will do one job. Gmail will do one job. YouTube will do one job. And Facebook is doing another job. Instagram is doing another job. But all they are all what? Websites there. But every website is doing the same job? No, we are all persons. We'll do the same job? No, we'll do different jobs. We have different functionalities, different behavior, right? Same way here also, right? So finally, it's all about your interest, right? Finally, why MERN stack? Why should I learn this course? After completing MERN stack, what I can do, what I can become, who I am. I'm a developer. I'm a front-end developer. I'm a back-end developer. I'm a full-stack developer. We want to give you all this clarity in the demo session. Who is called front-end developer? Who is called back-end developer? Who is called full-stack developer? All we will teach you. Don't worry about it. My demo is what you know. I will take 1 hour today, tomorrow 1 hour, day after tomorrow 1 hour. 3 demos I will take. But within this entire 3 demos, you should get a clarity why we are here, why I am learning this course. I want to give you that clarity to you. Then you can decide. You want to continue. You want to go somewhere. Okay, very happy. See, first of all, without having this idea and knowledge, why should I teach you? The demo, in the sense, it's not subject. Directly, I cannot enter into the subject to teach you. It's not the correct thing. Right? So we should go for it, guys. Right? Why MERN stack? What I can do by using MERN stack? What type of applications I can get by using MERN stack? So by using MERN, what type of applications we can create? You know, MERN stack. If MERN full stack course, we can create web applications. Web applications are, we can say website also. Anyone is the okay. Everybody know website. We generally use the website. Web applications also same thing, no problems. But there are 2 types of web applications. One is going to be dynamic web application. Other one is going to be static web application. What is dynamic web application? What is dynamic web application? Anybody knows? And what are you here? You are here to create dynamic, you are here to create static applications. How do you create dynamic application? How do you create static application? Right? Dynamic in the sense, remember, one simple point I want to tell you. If the content of the website is changing minute by minute or hour by hour or day by day, That is called dynamic, changing. If that is not changing, sir, the content of this website is fixed from last 10 years. Sir. That is static website. Static means no changes in the website. Dynamic means every day you will see some changes. You go to any news website, will you see the same news articles every day? No, right? Every day you will see the updated articles. Now, best example, if you want me to say, 1 minute, let me go here. I want to go to Google. Okay, you see this website. 1 minute, most active stocks. Everybody knows stock market maybe. You see here we are able to see some numbers here. Okay, you please observe this. Is there anything changes are happening on the slide? Please watch it carefully. Please watch it carefully. Is there any changes are happening? We can wait for one minute or some seconds. We can wait. Let me observe. So, is there any changes are happening? Let us see. Yeah, something are updating, right? Am I refreshing the page? I'm not refreshing. Am I reloading? I'm not reloading. Without refreshing and without reloading, how this web page is getting updated automatically? Best example, cricket match. We can watch the cricket score now. While watching cricket score, are you refreshing the page every time? No. You will just open the scorecard. The scorecard is getting updated automatically. Here also, you see, in this website, the stock values, whatever you are able to see, those values are also updating automatically, right? Is that not right? So this is called dynamic web application. Then if the content is changing like this, I'm not refreshing, I'm not touching the system also. I'm not refreshing, I'm not reloading. This type of web applications we are going to create. This is called dynamic. Why we are here? To create this kind of application, not like a Instagram kind of application, YouTube kind of application, IRCTC, reservation kind of application, banking kind of applications, whatnot. Everything we can create by using this maps. I want to say one thing. What type of web applications you can create in Java, what type of web applications we can create in Java, same type of application we can create by using MERN stack also. No difference. What type of web applications you can create using Java, .NET, Python, same I can create by using MERN stack also. Then why these many technologies, sir? I can use Java directly. Why MERN stack is coming? Yes, sir, right? We have a very big question. Sir, you are saying that whatever I can do in the MERN, same I can do in the PHP also, same I can do in Java also. Then why these many technologies? If Java is there, enough, na? Unnecessary. People are making us to confuse, learn Java, learn .NET, learn Python. So what do you say? To reduce the complexity. To reduce the complexity, most of the programming languages will say the same thing. Java will reduce the more complexity. Python will reduce the complexity. So everybody will say the same thing. But every programming language, they have their own advantages. Python has its own advantages. MERN has its own advantages. PHP has its own advantages. Some applications will be run very slow. Some applications will run very faster way. Some people will say Java is more secured than MERN, than .NET, than Python. Really, Java is more secure than Python? Or Python is more secure than Java? Oh, this is one of the hypothetical question. People cannot answer for this. Which one is more secure? So if I say Java, maybe people are asking, did you work on Java? No, I didn't work on Java. Then how do you know Java is more secure? And people are talking outside Amirpet market law. People are talking about Java is more secure. That's why I'm saying Java is more secure. So we have to get this clarity also. I will give you this clarity. What is the best technology as per the security? I will give you the clarity. I'm not going to tell you right now, but I want to give the clarity. Maybe tomorrow's session or the next session, I will talk about what is the best technology as per the security in the market. How can we make an application more secure? As we will discuss that also. We are learning MERN stack. But if I ask you right now, what is the best programming language? Java, MERN, Python, .NET. What is the best? 90% people will say Java. I will ask this question in every session. Everybody will say Java is more secure. Then why we are learning PHP? Then why we are learning MERN stack? Because Java is more secure now. Why can't we go for Java? So this type of things also we have to get some clarity. This is what demo. Demo in the sense, I don't want to teach you the subject. This is not the place to give the subject in the demo sessions. Okay, right. Okay, the next one. Let's come to the slide. In the slide, what is the other thing we are having? MERN is all about coding. Many of the people tell me they will have fear about coding only. Yes or not, right? Yes or not? Definitely we have coding. Fear ante in the sense what? So first of all, is MERN is all about coding ante? Yes, it's all about coding only. It's all about writing logics only. We have to write the logic. Who can write very good logics? You or me? Who can write very good logics? You guys or me? Because I have 12 years experience. You have 0 years experience. Then who can write very good logics? Tell me. Because I have 12 years experience now. Maybe people will say, sir, you can write very good logics because you have 12 years experience. Yes, sir? Remember, who can write very good logics? Do you know? I cannot. I cannot write the very good logic. Then you can you write very good logic? Maybe you are also not. Who can write very good logic? You know, remember carefully. Who can understand the customer requirement properly, they can write very good logic. Your 0 years experience there, you written very good logic. Why? Because you understand the requirement of the customer properly. I have 12 years experience. Due to some headweight, I'm not listening the requirement of the customer. Obviously, I cannot write very good logic. Maybe 12 years is not the matter. Remember one thing I'm telling you. Coding is very easy. I will make you. I will make you to help how to write the code also. The step-by-step coding I will tell you, not the line-by-line coding. How many number of lines will you remember if it is a line-by-line? 10 lines of code? Okay, we can remember. We can by heart the 10 lines of code. 20 lines? Okay. 30? Parvaledu. If it is a 200 lines of code, oh my God, how to learn the 200 lines of code? Is it easy? No, right? But I want to tell you, step-by-step coding. What is step-by-step coding? Just remember the 5 steps. You can write how big the program it may be. 5 steps, if you know, you can write 5,000 number of lines of code also you can write it. But only thing is what? The way of learning we should know. Way of thinking, way of writing logic. So while writing logics, I can help you. I will give the steps, the procedure I will give you. As per the procedure, how to write the logics also I can help you in the session. But it's my responsibility. If you don't know the coding, don't bother about it. I am here to help you how to write the code also. At the end of the day, everybody, I want to make you capable of writing something. And one more thing, don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate yourself. Anyhow, I'm not good in the coding. I cannot get the things. No one is helping me. Don't think this way. But everybody can do. Everybody can write the logic. You can do it. But the only thing is what? Interest of learning. If you have, see, not only this MERN stack, any course, Java, .NET, Python, there is no toughest programming language. Every programming language is easy when we have some interest of learning. And one more thing, we don't know how to write the logic. Why we don't know how to write logic? We didn't listen the requirement properly. When you are listening the requirement properly, I'm sure you will get the things very clear. Definitely. But finally, what I want to say, don't underestimate yourself. That's why, is it easy to learn this course? 100%. This course is easy to learn. Don't worry by seeing the number of lines of code. Many of the people, I know that. I'm also coming from the same background. I'm also a student 15 years back, right? At the time, we are also having a fear by seeing the number of lines of code. Oh my God, 10 lines of code. How to learn this? How to write this? And we by heart did the code. Line 1, line 2, studio.io, kind.io, like this, we by heart the code. When we are entering into the company, we understand that if we by hearted, we don't have any life. We have to understand the requirement. We have to understand the logics. Then only we can survive. The way you learned in your college days, forget about it. In college days, I don't know why you are there. In college days, to pass the semester. I have to pass this semester. I got 80%. Oh, next semester I have 85% I have to get. This is what we studied. I also studied the same thing. We have one eye. We will think like this. Semester pass it chalu. We'll think like this. If I pass this semester, it's enough to me. We will think like this. Okay, you passed all the semesters. You got 85% of marks. Where is the job? You studied for pass. You studied for getting the pass. You didn't study for getting the job. Right now, we are coming to Amir page. We are learning a course for getting passer. Who are you, man? So it is not here for getting the pass marks. We are here to get the job. So as a responsible person, as a responsible trainer, I want to tell you the best way of learning to get the job. The way of learning. If I can see one more thing, I'm not a faculty. Don't call me as a sir. My name is Ram. You can call me Ram, no problem. Why? Because you are not a student. I don't want to consider you as a student. Are you my student? No, I don't want to say my student. You are here to become a real-time professional. You are here to become a software engineer. Are you a software engineer? Close your eyes and say, I am a software engineer. You are getting laugh, right? You are getting laugh at you, software engineer. But you close your eyes and say, I'm a student. Very happy. Because anyhow, I'm a student, man. So we don't have such a kind of, what we will say, shy thing. But when I am thinking that, you are writing a new notebook, na? On the first page, you will write your name. In place of your name, software engineer, you write it. But when you are opening the book, you will remember your goal. Why are you here? To become a software engineer. Are you want to become a student again? For this, you are paying 20,000, 30,000 fees rupees again. No, man. Remember carefully your goal. Why we are here? Somebody suggested. Somebody forced me to learn this course. That's why you are here. No, you should remember why we are here. Don't worry, we will help you. And we will help you how to write this, how to write the code, how to do the things. All we will help you. Don't bother about it, guys. Here, the one and only thing, you have to put some interest and effort to learn this course. You have to put some interest and effort to learn this course. That's all. It's very easy to learn. Only thing, again, I'm telling you, it's all about my interest, sir. Yes, everybody can learn this course. What about career opportunities and salary? Okay, career opportunities space, I'm saying this is good. Don't worry about it. We will show the openings to you and you can go and crack the interview. I will show you the opening only. I don't show you the job. I will send you. There is an interview. You have to go and you have to prove yourself. Okay. This kind of help I will do. This is this assistance. 100% I will do. I will give you. If you want internships also, I can provide you internships also after our course is completed. Internship certificate you want, 6 months internships you want to do. In internship, they will give you the salary also, 5,000 or 6,000 salary also they will provide. But first 2 months, they won't provide anything. But from third months, if you're okay, if you're working properly, they will give the internship salary also they will give. At the end, internship certificate also they will give. But the only thing, you have to prove yourself. Maybe because I am referring you, they won't give the job. After going there, you have to prove yourself. Okay, this is very important thing. Remember carefully, right? What about career opportunities? Okay, don't worry about it. We will take care of it, right? What about the salary? What is the best course to get more salary? Java. Everybody will say Java. Java. A lot of people are learning Java. They are working for free in the companies. Do you know? Many of the people working for free, no salary for them. 6 months or 7 months, they are working for free. I'm seeing a lot of people who learn Java. Some of the people who came from my village, most of the people will touch with me, they will contact with me, and I want to learn Java. What is the best course? I don't want to tell you. This is good, this is bad. Their interest is Java. So what is the best institute? I will suggest some institute, go there and learn the Java course. Somebody came here, I want to learn Python. We will show you some Python institutes. But if they ask me, brother, what is the best course to get a job as a fresher? I will tell you all this too. But they came directly. I want to learn Java. So I don't want to divert them. Why? Because they are in Java. If they didn't get the job, they will say, they will scold me. Ram sir told me to learn Java. That's why I learned Java. I am not getting it. Okay, we don't want to say such a thing. So what is the fact in the market right now? This is the fact. A lot of people working for free. A lot of people are not getting jobs also. The people who learn Java. Maybe you ask your friends. You are all different path. If you have 10 friends, 9 friends are joined Java course. The one friend that is you learning this course. You ask them why they are choosing that course. And see the technology demand. The people who are working in the company, they know that what is the demandable technology right now in the freshers. Really, I'm sure. In my company, my HR, I can help you. So I can send your profiles to my HR. She will also forward to some of our companies. The only thing is what we will arrange the interview. You go and crack the interview. We will help you in such a way, 100%. Okay, until you got the job, be in touch with us. We will help you the same. Okay, right. Don't worry. So about the salary, but I'm telling you one thing. Salary of an employee is not depends upon the technology you are learning. It depends upon the company and their profits and their business. We are all freshers. We're all freshers. You know Java, I know Python, you know MERN stack, you know PHP. We selected to TCS as a fresher. What is our salary? What is my salary? As a fresher, TCS have one fixed salary. This is our salary, whoever you are. Whatever the technologies, you know 100 technologies, I know two technologies only, na? But your salary, my salary, same in TCS because you are a fresher. They have their own thing. But one thing I want to say, the salary of an employee will always depends upon the company and their standards only, not on the technology you are learning. You're a fresher, my company, freshers, 3.6 package. Some, my previous company, 15,000 rupees per month. That is the salary they can provide for freshers. Right? So this way, don't think if I learn Java, I will get more salary. If I learn Python, I will get less salary. There is no such a way. And most of the people are learning Java, so I won't learn Java. No, don't think such a way. Don't think such a different way. My suggestion, what is the best course as a fresher to get a job immediately? This is what we want to talk exactly, right? So any other, right? What are the topics covered? Job assistance and support available 100%. This we will provide you. Support also provided as well as job assistance also 100% I can show I can available. But who for whom I can provide this, you know, the people, I mentioned 5 technologies here now. The people who knows these 5, in this, I can provide you 100% assistance. I learned Java. So if you can come to me, I know, I say directly, I don't know. Anyone knows these 5 technologies, please let me know. I am the person, I can give you the 100% assurance to send you to interviews. I'm the responsible person. I will send you to internships also if you want. So first we want to work as interns, sir. After that, we want to move something. And if you are not unable to get a job, so why should we waste the time? Let's join a company. Let's learn the company work, real-time work. So we have 2 companies. I have contacts with us. We have a contact with the 2 companies about internship programs. Regularly, who learn from us, we will send to them. They have an interview also for intern people also. And once they are okay, they will hire them. Regularly, the people who learn from me, we will do this. If you're unable to get a job, let me know immediately. Right? Okay. So these are the things, guys, here. But you don't bother about it, the technology you're learning. But MERN is going to be very easy. But one thing, don't underestimate yourself. Many of the people will think like this, it's not possible with me. They will think like this. No, don't be like that. Don't think such a way. Everything is possible. Only thing is about your interest of learning. And one more thing, second important thing, please arrange a laptop to practice the things as soon as possible. Maybe from Thursday onwards, I will start the regular classes. There onwards, on day 1 onwards, you have to have a laptop, you have to practice the things. And one more thing, every day session completed, we don't run away from here. I am here. I will be here with you. Any doubts you are having on the fly in the session, we will clarify you. Okay, every day we will do this. Practice. Sir, I'm not understanding this code. Come with me. We can sit together and we will explain you. And online people, this session is running both classroom as well as online. Okay, interested people can join through the classroom also. Okay, so I think management people shared the WhatsApp group. Please try to join the WhatsApp group where you can get the recorded videos as well as class updates or anything. Okay, we will share the recorded videos also. This session is recording. All the sessions will be recorded. Every recorded videos also will update it and we will share with you. Okay, don't bother about it. We will give you all the information. So that join the WhatsApp group. I think you already written the numbers, right? They will share you the information. So anyhow, first 3 things are demos, right? We want to provide you the information, right? Let us give some good idea why we are here, what are we learning, all the things. Okay. One more thing I want to talk about finally, our training also. What about our training? The training in the sense, how we will follow. Every day, assistance will be available. In the classroom itself, I can sit with you. If you have any questions, you have to clarify. Feel free, don't shy. You are not paying the money to shy. No, many of the people are paying money. After paying money, if you are getting shy, means no, don't pay the money. Don't join this course also. I don't want to encourage you if you are such a person. So please clarify your doubts. That's my main priority. Any doubts? The basic. This doubt may be basic. Faculty will think me differently. What faculty will think differently? Nothing. I don't want to think anything. Anything, if you don't know, if the basic high level don't bother about it, I can help you there. in the session. In the session, on the fly. 1 hour minimum session will be there. After that, 1.5 hour minimum session. After that, 1 hour, 2 hours. How many hours you want to sit with me? Yeah, you can sit with us and we will help you on the same thing. This assistance I am providing you. I am the person. Some other persons will be never here. I am the only person sit with you to clarify doubts. I am the trainer. I am your coordinator also to clarify your doubts or anything if you have. Definitely, we will help you on the same thing. You don't bother about it, guys. Okay. Definitely, we will make you to help. Right? Topics in the sense, don't worry. I will tell you. I will give the clarity in tomorrow's session. Today I won't take just 1 hour only. Tomorrow also 1 hour I won't take. Day after tomorrow also 1 hour. From Thursday onwards, we have 2 hours session. We want to stop the subject from Thursday. My intention is what in the first demos, we want to give you a clarity why we are here. That's what my point. What are you learning? Of learning, what you are going to create, what type of application you are going to create. This idea first we want to give you. That's our main intention, right? So we will continue the same in tomorrow's session. If you have any questions, please let me know. And online people and offline people, if you have any questions, post your questions in chat window also. Yeah. If you have any question, please post your questions in chat window, please. Or else you can open your mic, you can ask your questions also. No problem. Yeah. Carry on, guys. If you have any questions, classroom people, as well as online people, any questions, you post your questions in chat window. And one more thing, please join the WhatsApp group so that you will get the class updates as well as recorded videos. We will take everybody's email ID. To that email ID, we will provide the drive access. From there, you can download the videos, you can watch the videos, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay. We will give you that access also. Any questions? Carry on, online and offline. So please attend 3 sessions. You will get the more clarity. After that, you decide where you want to go, what you want to do. You can do it, no problem. So my responsibility, it's my responsibility to tell you why we are here. What is the best course in the market right now? First, we want to talk about all these things. Without knowing that, I want to learn the course and no, there is no use of it. Okay, right. So topics we will explain you in the tomorrow session, but right now you're asking, right? Let me tell you the topics we will cover here. HTML, complete MERN topics I want to mention. This is going to be Bootstrap. This is going to be JavaScript. In an entire MERN stack, JavaScript is the king. If you know JavaScript very well, you are done with MERN stack. Without knowing JavaScript, no MERN, nothing, impossible. JavaScript is the king of MERN stack. Mean stack or MERN stack, any stack you are learning, one of the king technologies is what? JavaScript. We should have a strong knowledge, not the basic knowledge. You cannot get underpaid knowledge. We have to get real-time knowledge. So how do we get this real-time knowledge on the JavaScript also? We will learn, right? So JavaScript and in JavaScript, 2 concepts. I think no one is teaching. I didn't observe. Some of the people who learned some reputed institute, they came to me. They didn't teach JavaScript, Ajax and JSON. 2 concepts they didn't teach. Why they are not teaching? Without these concepts, we cannot imagine the real. You know, they are just 2 hours concepts. Ajax and JSON 2 hours concept, but they are not teaching that. But without this, there is no real time. Without this, so first we cannot imagine the real. Everybody should know what is Ajax, what is JSON. This is the part of, they are not separate courses. They are the part of JavaScript only. But very important concepts in entire JavaScript. Okay. Next one is going to be followed by jQuery also will teach you, as well as React. This is all come under front end. After this is completed, we will start our Node.js. Inside we have Express. We have MongoDB. We will cover some related tools also here. Some of the tools, whatever it may be, we will cover these tools also, which are related based on the requirement, based on the project. If you need any tools, we will cover them also. We will tell you Git also. We will cover Git, a very important tool everybody should know. It is a very simple concept. Just 1-2 hours is enough to understand what is Git, why Git. So what is the purpose of it, how to use the Git in the companies. If you want to go as an experienced person, this will help you a lot. But as a fresher, okay, no problem. But if you want to go as an experienced person, but everybody. So these are all the things we will cover. But in the React, some people will ask me, sir, will you cover Redux also? Yeah, without Redux, there is no React. We'll cover this topic also, Redux.js. So Redux.js is the part of our React only. So we will cover this also. Redux.js also will cover. React, Redux.js. So this is not a separate course actually. This is come under React.js only. Okay, it will come under React.js. In React, we'll discuss a lot of real-time scenarios, a lot of real-time tools we will discuss, right? So a lot of packages, modules we will discuss there, okay? Same way, Node, Express, Mongo, some other related tools, and we will go for Git also, right? These are all the things we will cover in the course, okay? But one thing, so this is all come under front-end development. This is all come under back-end. But I will give you a clarity. What is a front end? What is a back end? How front end and back end will communicate together? Maybe next session or next session, I will give you diagrammatical approach. Diagrammatical, I will show you how a front end, how a back end will communicate together. Whatever the back end it may be. But front end is common for everybody. But maybe the back end may be vary. Front end may be React. Back end may be Java they can use, .NET they can use, PHP they can use, any one of the back end they can use. No problem. Okay, right. I will give that clarity maybe in the next session or next session. Don't worry. It's okay. But these are the topics. I think somebody asked, Uday asked, I think. Yeah, Uday, these are the topics we are going to be covering this entire master course. And duration, I'm telling you guys, minimum 3 months. It's not completed within 3 months. 3 to 4 months. Why? Because here we have to do some projects also. While doing just a completion of the course, 3 months, okay. But we have to do some projects also everywhere, right? HTML CSS complete, we have to do some project. JavaScript complete, we have to do some real-time scenarios. React, one project. Node.js, one project, one website. The dynamic website we want to create. How to create a dynamic website? It may be a food ordering website. It may be a real estate website, or whatever it may be, some website we have to create. At the end of the day, I want to tell you one thing. Whatever we are learning, with that, we have to do a real-time project. Many of the people, they will pay the money, very good students. They will learn the course, but they don't know how to do the project. There is no use of it. Paying 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, there is no use of it. But whatever the course you guys are learning, with that course, we have to do a real-time project also. That's very important. That's my goal. Our agenda, our training agenda is completely about this real-time project only. Without that, what is the use of it? You are learning. Good student, you are a very good student. You are coming daily to the classes. There is no use of it. I don't want to be a good student. I want to get the job, what I have to do, first of all. This is what I want to concentrate. Definitely, man. We will make you very more interactive. See, one thing, when session is going to be more interactive, you know, if you people communicated with me, session is going to be more interactive. If you are sit silently, maybe you are a good student, but you cannot get the job. You want to be a good student? No, we don't want to be here to become a good student, and we don't want a good conduct certificate. So why we are here? You question yourself. Your name is what? Software engineer. Why are you here? To become a software engineer. To become a software engineer, what's the way of learning? So like a college. So tomorrow we have exam ante 600, 700 pages textbook. We will complete this night, and tomorrow we'll write the exam. We will get 80% marks. Such a kind of education doesn't help you. Remember, the thing you learned in our college days doesn't help you to get a job in the real time. The thing you are learning is different. The thing you are working in real time is different completely. We will help you then. Don't bother about it. Finally, I want to say one point for the day. We have to be good practically, not theoretically. I think we love theory. Yes, sir? We love theory very much. No, but if you are a theoretical guy, no company will encourage you. You will never get a job. But be practical. Anything you want to learn, practically I want to learn. But I strongly believe as a developer, if you learn anything practically, you will never forget it. If you learn anything theoretically, after some days, yeah, we can forget it. Right? So always anything, even if you didn't understand, you ask me, I can help you. I can tell you 10 times, 20 times, whatever what you are not understanding, let me know, I can help you there. This is what I can give you this assistance. After class is completed, every day I can available with you. Once class is completed, we can sit together. Any doubts, anything you are not understanding, any logic you are not understanding, we can help you. But my point is what? You should learn practically, not theoretically. I don't want to encourage you to write the notes also. Are you buying new notebooks? Yeah, you can buy it. One notebook is enough for the entire man. Why? Because we are not here to write the theory. We want to write everything practically. Take the running notes. Always take the running notes. Implement the same practically. I will help you. I will help you. You write the running notes. I will help you. Watch the recorded video if you need. By watching recorded video also, you can prepare some notes, you know. By watching recorded video also, you can prepare some notes on yourself. And one more thing, in our sessions, we will cover you interview questions also. In HTML, what are the interview questions? JavaScript, what are the interview? Everywhere we will cover everything, and you don't bother about it. I can tell you one thing finally. If you can complete the MERN stack course with me, you will get a knowledge of 2+ years of experience. A candidate who is working in a company with 2+ years experience, same knowledge I can give you. But you follow me. You follow me. What I'm saying you, please follow me. I will give you a lot of assignments in the training. Lot of assignments you are going to get it. But you have to do the assignments. But one thing, remember, I don't want to ask you whether you completed the assignment or not. It is not college. It's not a school. Assignments, who completed, be in the class, others go out. This is not college or school, right? All right. We don't want to say anything. It's our responsibility. If you are unable to complete the assignment, please let me know. I can help you. This is real time. I want to teach you real time. That's why I'm telling you this way. Our way of learning should be completely practical, not theoretical. We will never encourage theory in the session. Don't be good in theory. Be good in practical. You will never forget anything. That's why many of the people are having fear now. About coding, they have fear. Why they have fear? And they are learning theoretically. How many things you can remember? Tell me theoretically. If you can learn anything practically, I'm sure you can do the things better way. Okay, now? Right. I'm stopping the session for the day. Thank you, everyone. So if you have any questions, meanwhile, you can post your questions in chat window. Right. And we can meet the same tomorrow, 11. Okay? Right.